In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your Hostinger account step by step. Make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more web hosting tips. First, open your browser and go to the official Hostinger website. On the home page, click the login button, then choose sign up. Now you'll see a registration form. Enter your active email address and create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. Once that's done, click the register button. Hostinger will then send a confirmation email. Open your inbox, find that email and confirm your account. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. And that's it. Your Hostinger account is ready and you can now explore hosting plans, set up your website or migrate an existing one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.